Hey, it's Jean Morello with the Spouses Selling Houses team at Keller Williams Realty Partners. Um, Things have gotten a little crazy in the world right now, and we are all still sheltering in place. However, I didn't want to lose an opportunity to share one of our listings with you virtually. Would love to give you a preview of 10015 North Beverly, the condo in Skokie, real close to Old Orchard Mall, unit 102, which is the first floor unit. Let's take a look at the unit in a virtual walkthrough. This is the entryway, so this would be the living room, and then we can easily move over to the dining area, and you can see how, when I go over into the corner here, you can see how the dining area actually opens up into the kitchen. So we've got a nice large space here and some beautiful floors. Kitchens have newer cabinets in it with 42-inch cabinets, new countertops, stainless steel appliances, and then that opens right into the hallway to go down towards the bedrooms. On the left is the hall bath, and then we move into the master with a beautiful walk-in closet, huge walk-in closet in the master that we can see. And then let's just take a look at the master bath here as well and get an idea of what that looks like. Plus the custom paintwork on the master bedroom. It's a really large master bedroom and plenty of room for furniture. Move second bedroom right on the left, and then moving right back to the main area. So if you had wanted to set up a personal tour to take a look at this property, we would be happy to do that. Feel free to give the Spouses Selling Houses team a call, 224-650-7748. We'd be happy to set up a private tour for you. If there's any additional questions, feel free to give us a call at that number as well. Like I said, if you have any questions, give us a call.